James here, and this is where you get to see the great power of this auto lip sync function. You go down here, you grab your lip sync, and you just hit auto lip sync detection. Show you what I did again. I just right clicked on the waveform and then hit auto lip sync detection. Now if you go over here and press play, you'll see that this little box up here displays the auto lip sync.
This is a test.
I'm also just going to drag this across because we only need that many frames. And now we want to map the lip sync to smiley mouth front. I'm just going to, we've already set these names up perfectly. So all I need to do is hit OK. And now
This is a test.
our lip sync is done. So what I'm going to do is, just for the sake of making it look better, we'll extend the exposure of everything so that you can now see our character.
This is a test.
Now what you can do is, this auto lip sync, isn't perfect. Like, we don't want to start here with this sort of look, so you can just do your own drawing substitutions and pick the shape which you like. And you can pick shapes that aren't even in your lip sync vocabulary. So we'll change that to the B. So now what we do is we'll go along so like that silence there, we really want a short smile. But what you can now do is, you can see how this is like 8 or 9 frames of just sitting in the B. What you can do is you can do, say, 3 frames of that and then sort of morph across into this shape. So there are a lot of things you can now do to improve it by adding more shapes in or morphing between them. But I'll try and do a tutorial on that later. But for now, that's how you get your auto lip sync working. You can then, you can lip sync multiple different layers. So if I had smiley mouth side, so I had a side view, I could also lip sync that, and then I can flick the camera between the two, so I could just delete the frames that I'm not interested in. And so the first half of the animation I run looking at the character straight on, and the second half I can look at it from the side, and then the lip sync would just perfectly sync across. Now this isn't perfect, of course, but considering you saw how long it took to set up, it's a really good start, and it can help you get your animations really underway fast. So good luck.